Simple pregnancy exercises for every trimester. There are numerous potential health benefits for women who exercise during pregnancy, including better weight control, improved mood, and maintenance of fitness level. Regular exercise during pregnancy can also decrease the risk of pregnancy-related complications such as pregnancy-induced hypertension and preeclampsia. For exercising when pregnant, consult your doctor. Number 1 is Sakat. Warm up legs and hips. Stand with feet in wide stance, keeping the knee and torso aligned straight over the toes. Bend your knees and lower your torso towards a seating position as low as comfort allows. Number 2, knees up. Warm up core, arms and hips. Stand with feet slightly wider than hip 426 apart. Bring your right knee up towards chest, slightly to the side to make the room of your belly. As you do this, work the arm as well by swishing them from side to side. Switch legs and repeat. Number 3 is back leg curl. Warm up cores, arms and hips. Stand with feet slightly wider than the hips 426 apart and arms straight out in the front, palms facing downward. Draw the right heel up towards the buttocks. Switch feet and repeat. Number 4, side lying leg lifts. Begin by lying to your left side with your left elbow on the ground, supporting your upper body. Lift your right leg as high as you can while keeping your hips stacked on the top of the another. Slowly lower it 2 to 3 inches above your left leg. Continue this movement for 20 repetitions on each side or until your leg feels fatigued. Number 5, planks. Get down on your hands and knees. Waist directly under your shoulders. Lift your knees and straighten your legs behind you until your body forms a straight line. Don't arc some back and let your belly sag.